Mendoza from Ramber Financials. Let me invite you to join the financial programs of Ascend. It is an association of people who know what they're doing. They have been experienced in the field of finance. They have lived the life, putting themselves into an early pathway to wealth. These are the people who will probably be focused on educating you, giving you and sharing with you their experiences, whether these are all successes or even their failures. And they will actually put in a more practical view so that you can be on your way to your path to prosperity. So, as their partner in the financial services industry, Ramper supports Ascend, and I'd like you to get in touch with them, coordinate with them, and be part of one of their future programs. Thank you.